Hello, number Samatashtle. Welcome back to Lardin 77 channel.
The Panchen Lama is a highly esteemed figure in Tibetan Buddhism, considered the second most important leader after the Dalai Lama. Traditionally, the Panchen Lama is the head of Tashilhunpo Monastery in Shigetsi, and is also involved in the recognition of the Dalai Lama's reincarnations, and vice versa. The current Panchen Lama is Gendun Choeki Nyima, who was recognized by the Dalai Lama in 1995, but was subsequently kidnapped by the Chinese government and is now a missing person. Key points about the Panchen Lama. Reincarnation. The Panchen Lama is considered a reincarnation of a line of lamas, each a manifestation of the Buddha Amitabha. Second most important leader. The Panchen Lama is second in importance only to the Dalai Lama in Tibetan Buddhism. Recognition of the Dalai Lama. The Panchen Lama plays a crucial role in recognizing the Dalai Lama's reincarnations. Head of Tashilhunpo Monastery. The Panchen Lama is traditionally the head of Tashilhunpo Monastery, located in Shigetsi. Controversy. The current Panchen Lama, Gendun Choeki Nyima, was kidnapped by the Chinese government and is missing. The 11th Panchen Lama controversy centers on the 29-year-long enforced disappearance of Gendun Choeki Nyima, and on the recognition of the 11th Panchen Lama. The Panchen Lama is considered the second most important spiritual leader in Tibetan Buddhism 234, after the Dalai Lama. Following the death of the 10th Panchen Lama, the 14th Dalai Lama recognized Gendun Choeki Nyima in 1995. 3 days later, the People's Republic of China, PRC, abducted the Panchen Lama and his family. Months later, the PRC chose Gyaltsen Norbu as its proxy 5 Panchen Lama. During the traditional search process led by Chadral Rinpoche, he indicated to the Dalai Lama that all signs pointed to Gendun Choeki Nyima. While the Dalai Lamas and Panchen Lamas recognize each other's incarnations, the PRC had established its own search committee, which included Chadral Rinpoche and other monks, and wanted to use a lottery system referred to as the Golden Urn. Neither Gendun Choeki Nyima nor his family have been seen since the abduction. Chadral Rinpoche was also arrested by Chinese authorities the day of the abduction, as were other people. Recent development. In April 2019, U.S. Congressman Jim McGovern said the Panchen Lama will mark his 30th birthday as one of the world's longest-held prisoners of conscience, and referred to his enforced disappearance as a violation of the religious freedom of Tibetan Buddhists, while also stating that the alternative, Panchen Lama, has been victimized by China as a consequence of its policies to undermine and control the Tibetan people. 2. Earlier, on the 26th of April 2018, the U.S. State Department issued a statement. On April 25th, we mark the birthday of the 11th Panchen Lama, Gendun Choeki Nyima, who has not appeared in public since he was reportedly abducted 2 decades ago by the Chinese government at age 6. The statement also called for the immediate release of the 11th Panchen Lama. 21. An April 2020 joint petition prepared by 159 organizations spanning 18 countries requests the United Nations to pressure China for the Panchen Lama's release, as well as the release of his family. 22. In May 2020, CNN reports that the Central Tibetan Administration stated, China's abduction of the Panchen Lama and forcible denial of his religious identity and the right to practice in his monastery is not only a violation of religious freedom but also a gross violation of human rights. 20. As of 2024, the Panchen Lama has been held as a political prisoner for 29 years. 5 United Nations committees have opened cases. 4. While numerous governments, including the European Parliament, Canada, UK, and US, have called for China to release the 11th Panchen Lama. 23.
nga zu samlo ame khobe na ne kebe stare